Hey boys and girls, this is Mr. Cook, and today we're going to be adding near doubles, and we're going to be talking about how we're going to be using our double facts we've been learning to work with near doubles today. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a look at how can you use doubles to add. So what we've been doing the past couple days is we've been actually working on double facts. So things like 1 plus 1. So if I did 1 plus 1, I know my double facts. So if I have 1 plus 1, don't really have to draw a picture because I can just look at my fingers and go, boom, 1 plus 1 equals 2. A double fact, remember boys and girls, is when you have one number plus another number that is the exact same. So that's how we're going to have our double facts today. Now taking a look down here, we're going to work a little bit with our map here on the bottom to work with a couple double things. So it says place the number between 2 and 9 objects on each side, and we're just going to add 1 to it to show you what a double plus 1 or a near double fact is going to look like. So for Mr. Cook, I'm going to do it like this. Let's say I'm going to draw 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. So that means if this were a double fact, I'd have to draw 3 on this side. So 1, 2, and 3. So my problem right now would just be 3 plus 3. And if I count these up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 equals 6. Now a near doubles fact is going to look like this. Let's get rid of this guy here, and let's actually add one more right here. So if you guys have been practicing your double facts, you would know that if I had 3 here and 3 here, okay, I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now, if it's a near double, I can use it like this. So it goes, okay, if I know 3 plus 3 is 6, I should know 3 plus 4 because it's just one more. So if I know that 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 4 is one more, so I count up 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is going to equal 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue working with this idea, and we're going to show it to you in a different way. Complete the addition sentence using a near doubles fact. So right here it says 5 plus something equals 11. Now if I know that a doubles fact for 5, so that means it has to be 5 plus 5. Let's try to figure that one out first. Does 5 plus 5 equal 11? If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so that doesn't equal that, but it looks like I'm just missing it by 1. So if I just drew another circle right here for it, that would definitely equal 11, but it wouldn't be 5 anymore that I added right there. It would be 6. Because 5 plus 6 would then give me 11, but I know from the beginning that I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, so that means it's just 5 plus 1 more than 5 would be 6. That would give me 11 on this side right here. So when we're looking at these, boys and girls, it's pretty much think about your double fact and then just add one more on that part of it. Get rid of these guys and moving on to the next one. So here's a different picture that we can show you for you. When I have my blocks right here, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's my 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if we know our doubles fact, 5 plus 5, that equals 10. Now this is going to be my doubles plus 1. So this is what we've been talking about, of that near double, because it's right next to it. I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I can see on the other side that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green ones as well, but there's one more here that's on top. So if I knew this from before, that 5 plus 5 equals 10, this should be 5 plus 5 equals 10 plus the one more, so we're doing 5 plus 6, so 1 more than 10 would be 11. And this is another one that we might be talking about in the classroom as well. This can be a doubles minus 1. What this means is that you have 5 on this side, and then you only have 4 on this side right there, which is going to be a little funky to think about. But all you got to do is when we did our first couple units, when we did plus 1, minus 1, same exact thing here. If you have 5 on this side and 4 on this side, you can still say, okay, I still know my 5 plus 5 fact. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 5 plus 4 must be 1 less than 10. So 1 that comes before 10 is going to be the number 9 right there on that one. Let's do a couple more and then we'll get you guys going for today. So let's practice these out. I've got a model right here that shows that I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this would be 4 plus 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I know that I have 4 plus 4 on that side right there, starting out. So doubles fact, if I do 4 plus 4, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So for you guys at home right now, think about this. If I have 4 plus 4 again, plus that one, what would my problem be? So I know I'm going to start off by 4. This was 4 before, but we just added one more to it, so I know it's going to be 5. But let's take a look. I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 4 plus 5 should just be 1 more than 8, so it's going to be equaling to 9. So boys and girls, all of this stuff that's going to be happening today is just think about your doubles facts and just add 1 more, or look at the doubles fact and minus 1 on that part. These are called near doubles. It's where the number is only off by 1 number. So think about this today. Try and see if you can find out your double fact and either add 1 or minus 1 on this side to make this a lot easier for you guys. All right, boys and girls, good luck.